Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Maria Elena F. Ferrer. I'm 25 years old. I am single and I have one kid. I undergraduate and I took up Bachelor of Science in Criminology. I had experience in Baguio City, Philippines for 3 years and 7 months as a domestic helper Finnish contract. I started June 1, 2021 to January 29, 2025.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as domestic helper are taking care of children, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, gardening, cooking, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and an elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking food for them and feeding them, make sure that they are healthy and clean, and by serving them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam and Sir, I can cook Filipino foods, and I'm willing to learn when it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam Sir, it is necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, fast learner, God-fearing, multitasking, taking care of the kids as my own, and can work for minimum supervision.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam and Sir, I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.